Lesson 17, Transformation of Sentences. Let's observe analytical skills. Look at the pictures and read the following sentences. Reena is reading a book. Ajay is eating his lunch. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. A sentence is the largest unit of any language. A sentence is generally defined as a group of words with a subject and a predicate that makes a complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. In the first sentence, Reena is a subject and is reading a book is a predicate. In second sentence, Ajay is a subject and is eating his lunch is a predicate. Subject, the noun about which something is said in a sentence, is called the subject of a sentence. Predicate, the part that tells something about the subject, is called the predicate of the sentence. Kinds of sentences. According to structure, sentences are of three kinds. 1. Simple sentence. 2. Compound sentence. 3. Complex sentence. Simple sentence, a sentence that has only one subject and one predicate, is called a simple sentence. In other words, it has only one finite verb that agrees with the subject. Simple sentences. Subject, predicate. They are reading. Parima was writing a letter to me. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is made up of two or more than two clauses of equal ranks joined by coordinating conjunctions. Some coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, nor, or, so, and yet. Complex sentences. Main clause. Subordinate clause. Subject, predicate, coordinating, conjunction, subject, predicate. Samir is miser, though he is very rich. We had reached home before my father left. Complex sentence, a sentence that is made up of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses, is called a complex sentence. The subordinate clauses are introduced by subordinating conjunctions. Compound sentences. Main clause, coordinating, conjunction, main clause. Subject, predicate, subject, predicate. Delhi is hot in summer, but Darjeeling is cold. You can read and he can write. Transformation of sentences. A. Only a millionaire can buy such a lavish apartment. B. None but a millionaire can buy such a lavish apartment. The sentence A, given above, is a positive sentence. The sentences B shows negative form without changing its meaning. Sentence transformation is changing the form of a sentence from one form written to another form without changing its meaning. Given below are the rules of the sentence transformation. Affirmative to negative. Rule 1. Example, affirmative, negative. Only, alone, merely. None but, person. Only Rahul was fit for the post. None but Rahul was fit for the post. Nothing but things. She had only 5 bananas. She had nothing but 5 bananas. Rule 2. Example, affirmative negative. Must, cannot but. A king must be brave. A king cannot but be brave. Cannot help plus V1. Plus ing. They must do it. They cannot help doing it. Rule 3. Example, affirmative, negative. Both. And not only, but also. Both Raja and Praja were happy. Not only Raja but also the Praja were happy. Rule 4. Example, affirmative, negative. And joining 2 words. Not only, but also Subodh is honest and diligent. Subodh is not only honest but also diligent. Rule 5. Example. Affirmative, negative. Everyone, everybody, every. No plus common noun plus antonym. Every parent loves their children. No parents dislike their children. Rule 6. Example, affirmative, negative. As soon as, no sooner than. As soon as he opened the door, he saw lots of gifts. No sooner did he open the door than he saw lots of gifts. Rule 7. Example, affirmative, negative. Absolute, superlative, degree. No other plus attached word plus so plus positive form plus as plus subject. Delhi is the biggest city in Bharat. No other city in Bharat is as big as Delhi. Rule 8. Example, affirmative, negative. Always never plus opposite of the verb. He always speaks the truth. He never tells a lie. Rule 9. Example, affirmative, negative. To, so. That plus cannot, could not, past. The boy is too short to reach the branch. The boy is so short that he cannot reach the branch. Rule 10. Example, affirmative, negative, as, no less than. He is as busy as a bee. He is not less busy than a bee. Rule 11. Example, affirmative, negative, universal. Truth, negative, interrogative. The moon moves round the earth. There is no doubt that the moon moves round the earth. Rule 12. Example. Affirmative, negative. Sometimes not plus always. They sometimes visit us. They don't always visit us. Rule 13. Example, affirmative, negative. A few. Not many. She has a few friends. She does not have many friends. Many. A few. Our college has many scholars. Our college does not have a few scholars. Rule 14. Example, Affirmative, negative, much, not plus a little. They have much money. They don't have a little money. A little not plus much. I have a little money. I don't have much money. Grammar Connect. In a sentence transformation, the meaning of the original sentence remains same. Assertive to interrogative. No auxiliary verb in sentence change it by using do, does, did or don't, doesn't, didn't. Affirmative. He plays guitar. Interrogative. Does he play guitar? Everybody, everyone, all changes into who plus don't, doesn't, didn't. Affirmative. Everybody wishes to be rich. Interrogative. Who doesn't wish to be rich? Never changes into ever. Negative. I never take tea or coffee. Interrogative. Do I ever take tea or coffee? Nobody, no one, none changes into who. Ever. Negative. Nobody could count Rose's love for Jack. Interrogative. Who could ever count Rose's love for Jack? Every plus noun changes into is there any plus noun plus who don't, doesn't, didn't. Affirmative. Every man wishes to succeed. Interrogative. Is there any man who doesn't wish to succeed? It is no changes into is there any why. Affirmative. It is no use of your coming now. Interrogative. Why are you coming now? There is no changes into is there any who, person, what, thing. Negative. There is no use of this book. Interrogative. What is the use of this book? Or is there any use of this book? It doesn't matter changes into what though does it matter? Affirmative. It does not matter if he comes. Interrogative. Does it matter if he comes? Exclamatory to assertive. Sometimes the subject and verb may be eclipsed. Exclamatory. What a beautiful girl. Assertive. She is a very beautiful girl. She, subject, is, verb. Subject and verb of exclamatory sentence are to be used as the subject and verb of assertive sentence at the beginning of the sentence. How what changes into very, before adjective, great, before noun. Exclamatory. How fortunate I am. You, subject, are verb. Assertive. I am very fortunate. Alas changes into I we mourn that it is a matter of sorrow or grief that. Exclamatory. Alas. Bharat lost the T20 series. Assertive. We mourn that Bharat lost the T20 series. Hurrah bravo changes into I we rejoice that it is a matter of joy that. Exclamatory. Hurrah. Bharat has won the series. Assertive. It is a matter of great joy that Bharat has won the series. Had were if would that, at the outset, changes into I wish plus subject again plus were had plus rest part. Exclamatory. If only I were young again. Assertive. I wish I were young again. Imperative to assertive. Do not changes into you should not. Imperative. Do not play in the rain. Assertive. You should not play in the rain. Add subject plus shouldn't changing to assertive. Imperative. Solve the problem. Assertive. You should solve the problem. Please kindly changes into you are requested to. Imperative. Please come to me. Assertive. You are requested to come to me. Let us changes into we should. Imperative. Let us go out for a picnic. Assertive. We should go out for a picnic. Always changes into you should always. Imperative. Always speak the truth. Assertive. You should always speak the truth. Let plus noun pronoun changes into subject plus allowed to. Imperative. Let him do what he likes. Assertive. He is allowed to do what he likes. Change of degree. Superlative to comparative and positive. Superlative. Mr. Roy is the oldest of all men in the town. Comparative. Mr. Roy is older than all other men in the town. Positive. Not other man in the town is as old as Mr. Roy. Superlative. Saurav is the strongest boy in the class. Comparative. Saurav is stronger than any other boy in the class. Positive. No other boy in the class is as strong as Saurav. Simple comparative to positive. A comparative. Purna is not less meritorious than Soimen. Positive. Purna is as meritorious as Soimen. B. Comparative. Tina is wiser than Luna. Positive. Luna is not as wise as Tina. Simple to compound. A simple sentence can be converted into a compound by replacing a word or a phrase with a coordinate clause. Examples. A. She is respected for her honesty. Simple. B. She is honest, so she is respected. Compound. The phrase for her honesty has been expanded into a coordinate clause. The coordinating conjunction so is used to introduce the clause. Examples. Simple compound. 1. He must get up early to catch his flight on time. He must get up early so he can catch his flight on time. 2. In spite of her sincere effort, she did not succeed. She made a sincere effort, yet she did not succeed. Compound to simple. A compound sentence can be converted into a simple sentence by changing one of the coordinate clauses, using a participle for a verb, or by using a prepositional phrase, an infinitive, or a gerund. Examples. Compound simple. 1. The curtain fell and the people got up to leave. The curtain having fallen, the people got up to leave. Begin with a participle. She made her best effort but did not succeed. In spite of making her best effort, she did not succeed. Begin with a prepositional phrase. You must take special classes or you'll not pass your Spanish exam. You must take special classes to pass your Spanish exam. Use an infinitive. You must not interrupt the speaker as this is rude. Interrupting the speaker is rude. Use a gerund. Simple to complex. A simple sentence can be converted into a complex sentence by expanding a word or phrase into a subordinate noun clause, adjective clause, or adverb clause. Examples: simple, complex. She is expected to arrive shortly. It is expected that she will arrive shortly, subordinate noun clause. Despite the heavy rain, all the students attended the school. Though it rained heavily, all the students attended the school. Subordinate adverb clause of concession. My brother, a resident of Mumbai, has just graduated. My brother, who lives in Mumbai, has just graduated. Subordinate adjective clause. Complex to simple. The rule stated above is reversed when a complex sentence is transformed into a simple sentence. Examples: complex simple. When she was born is not known. Subordinate noun clause. The exact date of her birth is unknown. She spent her vacation in the town where she was born. Subordinate adjective clause. She spent her vacation in the place of his birth. We made her angry because we disobeyed him. Subordinate adverb clause. Having disobeyed him, we made him angry.